Boom pow zap, and I'm walking out to my heat box out here. This is a new construction metal building sitting in the Florida sun. It's 30 by 24, and I've just put in an air conditioner, Midea. It's a 12 BTU, 12,000 BTU, and right now we've got 88 degrees. Well, it's high. It says high, 61% humidity. So I guess that means it's just hot in here. So I'm gonna turn on since it's 88 outside, it's about 2 o'clock, it's 1:48. And I'm just gonna turn this thing on and see if I can get it to cool down. Check in about an hour. Uh-oh, it's vibrating a little bit. There it goes. I gotta stop that vibration. I can do that. It's just been installed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if this little unit, which is rated for 550 square feet and this 720 square feet building, can cool it down, A. And B, if it does cool it down, how long it takes to heat back up again. Then I'm gonna compare it with spray foam insulation after it's been installed in a couple days. So I'll check back with this in about an hour. Here's the biggest problem right now. That sucker's blowing cool. We're on 72. But as you can see, this is not an airtight building. So you got all these leaks where the air can come in. Also, the sun's beating down on the sides and the rooftop of this metal. This metal is hotter than it is inside. You can feel it. We're gonna get it airtight and foam sprayed. We are in the sun. What time is it? We're in the sun, beating down on everything. 316. I can barely tell. It's 97 in here. The outdoor is not picking up anymore. So this thing's blowing cold, but man, it's not cooling off in here. It's been what, almost an hour and a half. So it did bring it from high down to 97 though, and 35% humidity. It was 60-something% humidity before, I think. All right, I'm going to turn this off. It's 3:17, and see what it's going to be like in here in another hour. Yeah, this is the worst part of the day because this is like the sun is beating down on like every part of this, the afternoon sun. So there's no relief whatsoever. This is what sticks out here. And I don't think you can adjust this. It's just you have to deal with it. It's almost 6 o'clock. 90 degrees in here. The humidity's back up. We'll see what it does with that foam insulation.